All right, welcome to a little fishing episode, Trapping with Jinx. Gonna do some fast fishing tonight. It's late June 2020, and weather's just perfect. Nice crystal clear night, a little humid. Gonna be using top water hula popper. So just a little bitty hula popper, top water. Gonna try that out. Also, I like these Berkeley worms. I think it's a 6-inch worm. Gonna try that. And then I've got a couple other things I'm gonna use for crappie. I've got a UV tight lines jig, which the tail is gone, so I'm gonna put a new body on it. And got a couple new items. So we've got a frog by Live Target, white. I'm gonna try that top water. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna try a spit and wah, spit chuck. I don't know what it is. It's another different frog. So, hey, should be a lot of fun. So sit there and watch me. Hopefully, I can get a big one. So, should be fun. Let's check it out. Just misty.
I think they're biting on these worm things. What? Hey! Got it. Got pliers. Got him good? Thanks. Might use 2 fingers. There! My pole in half. There. Got pliers. Hey, she's gonna get the weight. Not gonna weigh him?
Look at that. Not bad. Nice one.
There you go. Pliers. How much that one weigh?
Another good 3 pounds.
Alright,
Alright, we're gonna turn him back now.
Bye!
I mean, we don't need the pliers.
Thank you, though.
This is about the time of night I like to fish, right around dusk. So quiet. Oh, that was a big one. Really? Don't grow 'em, just catch 'em. Alright, we just caught this big fish
Jason and I.
on a worm. And we're gonna weigh him.
He's got some meat under there.
$4 pounds. Right?
That's the biggest one I've caught. Right there.
I don't think he's 4 pounds yet.
Not quite.
How much is that?
Still the biggest one.
He's about 4 pounds, 3.5. Not bad. Alright, we're gonna turn loose. 5 fish. There he goes. All right, folks. Did a little fishing tonight. The girls had some good luck. Caught about 2 or 3 nice big bass. And I kind of got skunked. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed that little episode of some summertime fishing with the family. And, hey, if you like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Anyways, we'll have some trapping videos coming out here soon. And I'm glad you joined us with this little fishing episode. And if you like this, want to see more fishing videos, let me know. If not, I'll just stick to trapping. So I hope you had a good time. And hey, have a great day. See you later. Bye, everybody.